Um, Activity task 4. Um, my name is Wilson Javier Avila. I live in Cachipay, Cundinamarca. I am 18 years old. I am tall and skinny in my family. We are 5, including my father, my mother, and me two brothers. I am currently studying at the UNAP University where I'm currently want to be a professional in software development and wishes person who love video games. And I do well with my family 5 years. I went to Jakarta to visit and street was very long that day. We visit the Boyacá Bridge, the trick lasted 18 hours. The next day we went to the Tota Lagoon and book one book. We went in winter time where is what very cool. Where is go is I think I plan to in the future going to Amazon is story. Please where to the most increase things vegetation where there is a very important river on continent and where there are animals that only group there where it will be a very nice experience next to the people who must where is long to go this year. Thank you for very much.